Hi, Melanie here, and today I'm going to be going over this week's module for Education 407. We're on week 3, so we're going to press week 3. We're going to scroll down and go to step 1, create a YouTube channel. So for this step, we have to watch a video below on how to create your own channel if you don't know already. And then you're going to create your screencast. And to practice, you can use one of the following: Screencast-O-Matic, VoiceThread, ScreenR, Screencastle, Snagit, Cam Studio, and Camtasia. For mine, I personally use Screencast-O-Matic. It's pretty helpful. And after this, you have to upload it to your YouTube channel. Once you finish uploading, you go to this link below, and then you comment the link to your YouTube channel. Once you're done, go to week 3 again and go to the last step, step 2, write your blog reflection, and then you're going to post a reflection in your blog, and then don't forget to post it on the class blog, and then you're done. Thank you.